Foolish pride, she hates the sight of me because I turn her off her down. She's always saying it was meant to be. Somehow she thought I'd be her down, telling her lies. To be taken for a show. USB for someone to rock and roll. USB to be taken for a ride. No, it's not my foolish ride. Hey. She doesn't want me around. She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown, someone to take for a ride. This is what I say. To experience, to be taken for a stroll. To experience, for someone to rock and roll. To experience, to be taken for a ride. I know, it's not my foolish pride. My resistance is getting weaker. I just can't stand the pressure. I can't pull it down.